A very good morning, children. Welcome to the science class. Yesterday we have discussed about how our government has made the category wise to know about the species like extinct, critically endangered and vulnerable. Okay, those type of animal species are found on the earth. Like that only they will make the category, and according to that they will make a list of that, and they will take care of those species. Okay, today in this class we are going to discuss which type of species which animals are extincting and they are in the dangerous situation. Okay, so first one is that is extinct animals, means which are already vanished because that species are already old. That is what the Asiatic cheetah, Himalayan quail, pink-headed duck. These are the there are so many others also there. These are the three main organisms. These are the three main animals which are get extincted on the earth. So that Asiatic cheetah in the period of Emperor Jahangir, they have the 1,000 cheetahs were there. He has stables with 1,000 cheetahs, and they are very easily tamed. They will get easily tamed and they will use for the royal hunting. So right now these three species are not available on the earth only. They are completely vanished. They are completely extincted on the earth. Next one is that the species which are critically endangered are that is Siberian crane, so white-backed vulture and tiger. Tiger is even in the India also we are losing the tigers a lot. For that reason the government has prohibited strictly, and even they have made the one act also, that is the project Tiger, only to save the tigers. Okay, still yet for our pleasure, for our happiness, for our entertainment purpose, we are killing, we are continuously hunting the wild animals. That results that less in the species, and one day they will also reach the extinct positions. And these are the few species which are in critically endangered. So right now we have to take care of those animals a lot. Okay, if you are not taking care of those species, that will also join the extinct place only. And one more is that is elk. That this is built ox, lives in the coldest and rugged mountain terrains. It is killed for its hide and meat. So it is using for even the elk will give the fur also. That is fleece is using for some other to make the other object, means fabrics also, like how we are using the wool of sheep is using, no, like that only the axes fleece also using. So that is also using for the making the fabrics, and even it is killing for meat also, meat purposes also they are using. And the tail tilt, that is tail tuft is using just like a fur only, that is means fleece only, that is also using for the to prepare the manufacture of the things, and sought after articles for trade. So on this act they have there are so many articles came, like the species of act is also in the critically endangered positions. For that reason only we have to take care of those also. All these whatever we are seeing, we are learning that the species which reach the extinct position as well as the species we are in the critically endangered positions, they reached that stages only because of the human beings. We are the main reason. For our entertainment, for our pleasure, we are killing, we are hunting the animals. This is only the main reason, guys. And moreover, for the commercial purpose also. As I told that so many part of the animals are using to prepare the powder that we are using to apply our face, and even the perfume wise to prepare the that also, and furnitures for the decoration. So you have seen that even in film they will add they will hang faces of the cheetah, faces of the elk, like that they had. No, this is all to prepare all those type of things only they are killing. The commercial purpose is main reason. Commercial wise also they are they are killing the animals not only for the entertainment purpose, not only for the pleasure purpose, even to get the profit, even for the commercial wise also they are very useful to get the profit, means they are getting killed. So they have been killed by the human beings. One of the reason is that also illegal activities. So that is also one of the reason. Even by illegally also they are killing. So hunting means they have the permission, but if they are killing means that is illegal only. So okay, they will be punished. Okay, they may get the jail also. So this is what the reason. And yes, one more reason to decrease the species of act is that contagious diseases. Contagious diseases, the diseases which will come from one person to another person with only by the contact. Okay, that type of disease is also one of the reason that axe species are getting decreased in the wildlife. And for that reason also the axe are in the critical endangered stage. So the species which are in the endangered positions are, there are so many species, they are in the endangered position. They are lion-tailed macaw, Himalayan brown bear, great-piled hornbill, Indian wild ass, red panda, Asiatic lion, yellow monitor lizard, great Indian bustard, green sea turtle, marsh crocodile, reticulated python. So these are the few species which are already in endangered position. Okay, they are in the stage of endangered. So it means that at least we have something, at least 50 to 60% species we have. By that we have to grow, we have to try to get the young ones of these species, and we have to save these species also. So it means that we have to take care of these endangered position species a lot. So then only we may get these species in the next years also. In the future also we may see these animals. Otherwise it's quite difficult to see these species also on the earth also. So vulnerable animals. So vulnerable animals means what? The animals which are in the not in the endangered positions. We have the much species of that, but they have the there is no many habitats for them. So it means that even though the species are available on the earth, if you are not providing the habitats for them, habitat is very necessary, as we know that we have discussed in the extra class now. Habitat is very necessary to live a life, to survive our lives on the earth. So vulnerable animals are not in the critical stage, but if we are not providing them a habitat for these animals, no, they will also reach the extinct positions. See guys, whatever the species are in the extinct means we can't help, means critically endangered and vulnerable species. So these can be stay on earth in the future only when we are aware about all the organisms we have, when we start to love our nature, when we start to love our wildlife. Until that, even we have to have the common sense also. If all the organisms have the life, and all the organisms need they have a rights to lead their life. So if you are killing, if you are hunting like this only means, so it's quite topical, common only. Where the stage of at one point of time we are easily losing all those species. See, if all those animals, the people are not much aware, so that each of us are interconnected with each other. One day all these organisms are get died. What is the work of human being on the earth? Right now. So we are staying on the earth only because they are providing the food. So we are eating the non-veg, we are eating the plants. So if we are killing continuously like this only, we are not able to get the food also. So we are killing the animals for our pleasure. But we will die. At the one point we may die because of the thirsty, because of the hungriness. This one point, if a person is understand, the person who is killing the animals, no, he will not do anything like that. This is, I will assure you. Okay. And uncontrolled hunting of wildlife for pleasure food, fur, skin, horns, bones, tusks, etc. These all are the parts of the animals only. All the parts of the animals are very useful for one or in another way. So that is one of the reason that they are killing the animals also. Etc. pose a serious threat to the survival of wildlife, including birds with a beautiful plumage. See guys, everyone and everything is important on the earth. So it's our duty to protect our nature. So all those vulnerable animals, that is Asian elephant, black-necked crane, black buck, and western tragopan, dugong or sea cow, these are also vulnerable only, but they don't have the much habitats. We have to create the habitats for them, then only they will be able to stay on the earth for a longer time. So this is what the reason. These are the commercial purpose also, the animals are getting killed. Even for the entertainment purpose also they are getting killed. Both of them are resulting in the extinct of the organisms, which is very dangerous, which is not good for even for the environment, even for us also. Right, this much for this class guys. I hope you enjoyed the class. Just read the lesson again and again. Write down all the vulnerable, extinct and endangered. If possible, write down the examples of that also. So can I give the homework? Okay, I will give the homework. This that you have to do in the notebook only. Don't write in the prayer book. Okay. Write 10 names of animals which are extincted. Which are extinct. Okay, this much only. Only 10 animals. Extinct animals you have to write. Okay? Sure. See you next class. Read well. Stay safe in home. See you next class. Bye.